All right, hi guys. Today we're working on the Laravel testing feature. Well, it's within the testing features factory. So yeah, you might find yourself thinking how to use the factory when doing a test. Um, okay, so what I've got here is the a page on the Laravel documents for it's in the HTTP section. Anyway, so here's an example, and it has this function here, user factory. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump over to my blog over here, which is studylaravel.org, and it has all these examples, um, all these methods on from the Laravel documentation. However, it has actual working examples on how to solve these things. So instead of just like, oh yeah, this is like a just a little brief example, this is like a worked out one. Okay, so this example, so you'll see there it is there, factory, create, it's all quite similar. So it has a problem and a solution that we'll look at in a second. So we need to look at, well, what is this question asking us? So it's has a user variable. So factory is creating a fake something. So in this case, a user, create a fake user. And then with that user, what are we doing with it? Response, uh, this acting as the user and with session. So it's saying that we're gonna generate a URL. It needs to be authenticated with this user. So acting as will be authenticated. And we're injecting into the session a variable, in this case called band. Okay, and then we need to assert status 200. So we need to prove that the page worked. And then we need assert see. So we need to see something. We need to see text. So it has in capital letters, this username is not banned. Okay, so let's have a look. So down here, want a solution? I want to cheat. Show me. Let's have a look. Okay, so that's the same question, and then here is the solution. Okay, so to get to the factory point, so user, we need a user. So user, auth user. So that's gonna find a logged in user to see if this works. What have we got? Request, session, get banned. So we're getting from the request, we're getting a session variable to see if it exists called banned. Now, if that variable is found and true, we're going to return this. Okay, and that's it. And to prove this works, I'll jump over into the command prompt, and I already have this one. I'm CD'd into the folder, so I'm going to go php artisan test dash filter. So we're going to run one test. Now you have to put in filter and then the name. So the name of this testing function in this example is this. I'm going to copy that in there. So we've got PHP artisan test, filter, and then the name. I'll run that and done. So that passes. It's a quick video. You'll need to have a look again, I think, to digest what happened, but it's all there, problem, solution, and I hope you find it useful. Thank you.